A simple marinade of fresh minced ginger, soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and some juice from the kimchi. For kimchi tacos, I use the top round cut of steak. It's lean, cheap, and cooks fast.
He sees your candle and holds his hand to fire. Thou for love, the world that thou higher. He sang to the wonders, hours, thirsty and sway. Walking the tightrope of the sound is
Three or 4 minutes per side. Check for doneness with your fingertips or a meat thermometer. Your goal is medium rare.
calling your name. Petals I push with my pen.
That one got hot.
Flowers and sand.
Allowing the steak to rest for 10 minutes or so after it's cooked preserves juiciness.
The keys to your castle are held in his hands, I promise you. The sky is falling down, I'm kicking you. Let down your pretty hair for me. We'll swim in holler too, sharing the sun and chasing down the moon.
Almost looks good enough to eat.
Ourselves and learning how to see. In the darkest of nights, your hand is safe with me.
As much sriracha as you'd like, and it's ready to eat. Bon appetit!